ní attention sí MC Olúọmọ, Koko Zaria, Alhaji Sego, Kunle Poli, Sunday Igboho àti gbogbo every topic tí mo kọ síbẹ̀ mo ní attention sí MC Olúọmọ, Koko Zaria, Alhaji Sego, Kunle Poli, Sunday Igboho àti gbogbo àwọn alákíkanjú ọmọ Yorùbá. Attention, àkíyèsí pàtàkì fún Alhaji wa MC Olúọmọ, Sunday Igboho, Alhaji Sego, Kunle Poli àti gbogbo àwọn tí a porúkọ wọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ akíkanjú ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Àkíyèsí wọn sí nǹkan tí arákùnrin kan tí wọ́n ń pè ní Ijele, tí àwọn Yíbò fẹ́ lo Ijele fún láti ṣe ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa love, like and share program yìí. Ẹ bá wa love, like and share this program. Ẹ mọ̀ pé a kì í rí eégún lọ́sàn-án, but ní èní yìí ẹ máa rí eégún lọ́sàn-án. Eégún wa jáde lọ́sàn-án because nǹkan tí a fẹ́ sọ ó ṣe pàtàkì. In fact, mi ò lè sùn. Mo realize pé mo gbọ́dọ̀ wá ṣe eléyìí ni. Kò yé yín sìn. Ṣe eléyìí torí pé a fẹ́ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí attack èèyàn. Àmọ́ tí ó bá jẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni, anybody la lè attack. Tó bá ti jẹ́ pé ẹni tí ó fẹ́ kíwọ́ bọ ojú wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ni, we will attack anybody attackable, because it has to do with the Yoruba land. It has to do with Yoruba progress. Ijele is planning something. Ijele is planning something tó dẹ̀ máa ba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́. Àwọn ò dẹ̀ nígbà fún ọmọ Yíbò kan kí wọ́n fi ọ̀dọ̀ wọn lẹ̀, kí wọ́n fi region wọn lẹ̀ kó jẹ́ pé Èkó ṣá ni wọ́n ti fẹ́ máa ṣe rally, wọ́n ti fẹ́ máa ṣe protest. Kò yé yín? So ó fẹ́ pe àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ ọ̀tá Yorùbá kan wá join rally yẹn láti wá ba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́. Àwa ò ní fún yín ní chance yẹn. Àwa máa create awareness fún àwọn èèyàn wa. But first of all, listen to this. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ń sọ pé Baba OBJ kò sí lẹ́yìn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká túbọ̀ just few seconds clip.
It's for us to change the leadership in this country. Ọlọ́run máa fún wa ní opportunity ní ọdún tó ń bọ̀. Tí a bá lo opportunity yẹn bó ṣe yẹ ká lò, gbogbo wa láàbùlé màrà wa o. Bí o ní sọ́jú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Great Wonders Media.
Lẹ́yìn dúró, it's for us to change the leadership in this country. Ọlọ́run máa fún wa ní opportunity ní ọdún tó ń bọ̀. Tí a bá lo opportunity yẹn bó ṣe yẹ ká lò, gbogbo wa láàbùlé màrà wa o. Bí o ní sọ́jú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Ṣé ti gbọ́ bàbá OBJ ni wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ṣì ń sọ pé ẹ ní ìkùnsínú sí wọn, there is no point láti ní ìkùnsínú sí bàbá OBJ. He is with us. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni wọ́n kì í ṣe ọmọ àlè Yorùbá. Ó yé yín? Àwọn Yíbò wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe rally, wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe protest ní Èkó. Mr. Ijele, all eyes on you. All your plans to destabilize Lagos State, all your plans to destabilize Yoruba land, we have heard it. If you want to do any protest against Pastor Fufen, your motto, you have to go to Delta State. Don't bring your rally, don't bring your protest to Lagos State. Don't bring your protest to Lagos State. You have done the mini rally, the petty rally that you have done, and we have heard that person you are doing rally for has been released. Now you are planning another bigger rally, even when this person has been released. It is not our business what a pastor is doing to, a lady that, it is not our business. You can do your rally. Nobody is against you doing rally. But Nigeria has got a federal capital in the name of Abuja. You either go to Abuja to do the rally, or go to Delta State where this so-called pastor is from, or you go to your village. You go to your village, to your region to do that rally. Don't bring any rally to any Yoruba land. Don't bring any rally to Lagos State. We will not allow anybody to do rally or protest from now till after, election. Even after election, your rally should be in your region. MC Oluomo, your attention is needed here. Sunday Igboho, your attention is needed now. Alhaji Sego, Kunle Poli, whatever is between you and MC Oluomo, you have to settle it now and face Yoruba land. Àwọn Yíbò ń plan ní nǹkan burúkú tó fẹ́ fi ba Èkó jẹ́. Wọ́n fẹ́ pa aṣíwájú wa fún wa. Àwọn ò dẹ̀ ní dákẹ́ tá bá ti gbọ́ information ẹ̀ báyìí. We need to come and talk. Èmi ò lè sùn mọ́jú because àtìgbà tí mo ti gbọ́ kíní yẹn ọmọ kan yí lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì ni. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìde. The governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Igbo people want to destroy Lagos State. They want to come and do another rally. They want to come and kill our people. Ijele speaks is who they are using now. Since Nnamdi Kanu is now in the Kano, since they have seen that Nnamdi Kanu, they are all angry because Nnamdi Kanu destroyed their plan for them. Koyenyi, Nnamdi Kanu was so emotional and destroyed their plans for them. Now they want to use Ijele speaks. Màá gbé ó fèsì Ijele yẹn jáde tẹ́ bá lè rí ẹni tá ń sọ. Ó fẹ́ plan ní rally burúkú l'Ékòó. Fèsì ẹ̀rẹ́. Ṣó ẹ̀ tó ṣe lánàá. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ bí òun ṣe jẹ́ mafia, bí òun ṣe ń lọ sí Turkey, tí òun jókòó pẹ̀lú àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe, weapons nǹkan kan. Koyeyin, ẹnujọ́ mẹ́ta yá dẹ̀ rí pé they are bringing different kind of weapon into Yoruba land. Cutlasses, grenades, AK-47, AK-49, different kind of weapons. Òun ni wọ́n gbé wọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ń sìn. Dẹ̀ sọ pé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ mọ́, ọwọ́ bọ̀bọ́ yìí ò mọ́. He is more dangerous than Nnamdi Kanu. This guy, Ijele, is more dangerous than Nnamdi Kanu and is very intelligent. Tó bá ti ṣe show, tí ẹ fi máa rí pé ẹni yìí fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan burúkú, á jáde the next thing, á ṣe cover up show láti fi attack àwọn èèyàn tiẹ̀. But ó ti create awareness yẹn bí àwọn ṣe máa balẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́ in the previous show. All eyes should be on that guy. Anybody should not do any protest or rally in Lagos State. If you are against any pastor that is doing any bad thing, you go to their state. If any of our Yoruba pastor is doing any bad thing, we do not need any Igbo man to come and do protest for us. We can do protest against our own people. Because by she protest, this Lekki Toll Gate, àwọn Yorùbá méjì ni wọ́n jẹ́ head nǹkan yẹn, Sowore àti one other guy. Wọ́n ti àwọn people yẹn sẹ́yìn. Bí wọ́n ṣe tì wọ́n sẹ́yìn ni wọ́n take over nǹkan yẹn tí wọ́n fi ráyè ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe ní Lekki Toll Gate yẹn. Such thing we will not accept again. Igbo person, Hausa person, Ijaw person, Urhobo person, Edo person, whoever person, even Ilaje person, if you want to do your protest, you go to your village and do your protest. Don't bring protest into another person's land. If you think that nobody will hear you in your village, go to Abuja. Abuja is the capital. MC Oluomo, ẹ má yẹ kẹ́ kó bàjẹ́ o, ẹ má yẹ káwọn people yìí ba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́ o. Kò yé yín sìn. Ijele was one of the people who sought around for Nnamdi Kanu on how and where they can buy weapons during their good days, working together. And now Ijele is working for Orji Uzor Kalu, is working for, what's his name? Mr. Naji, Tony Naji, is working for Yitiyong Badurati and Bicep. Ijele should go and look after Okorocha that's got AIDS. Okorocha that's got AIDS. Since we expose Okorocha here that he's got AIDS, we have not seen Okorocha in town coming to talk. Ijele should go and look after him. Ijele that is always shouting, clinical metal, liquid metal. This Indaboski is a fake pastor. Ijele should go and look after the fake pastor in his place. Ijele should look after this pastor that is saying they should kill Yoruba people so that Yoruba people can feel how it pains to be killed. Ijele should go and be looking after that person. Ijele should leave Yoruba people alone. Do you understand? Ijele, leave Yoruba people alone. Don't be bringing your rally or your protest to Lagos. You are planning evil. You are planning evil. No protest should be allowed. Lagos State Commissioner of Police should listen to us. No protest is allowed in Lagos State. No protest is allowed in Lagos by any Yamini, by any Igbo. We don't want. We don't want. It is election time. Let our leaders think. Do you understand? You should go and be bashing your leaders in your place. Go and be talking about the bad leadership you have there. You also say it with your mouth. You know that your leaders are doing organized crime by sending their people away. By sending their people away so that they can have enough room to steal. Go and be talking to your leaders. You know your leaders are criminals. Why are you bringing every madness into Lagos? Why are you bringing all madness into our space? Go to East and protest against IPOB. Go to East and protest against ESN. Not come to Lagos and be using one full face to cover face. Meanwhile, your plan is to destroy our space. We don't want that. We are not going to allow that. Ijele, hapu Indi Yoruba alone. Hapu Indi Yoruba alone. Bikono, leave us alone. Poor from our land, go away. Leave us alone. Do you understand? That was what you did when you were with Obi Kilorko man tonta Nkunumiri in the name of Akini Kombitasi. Ijele was with them and he mentioned that there's going to be, a bang in Yoruba land. There's going to be a news in Yoruba land. Kò pẹ́ ni wọ́n lọ pààyàn ní Ọ̀wọ̀. Immediately tó pààyàn ní Ọ̀wọ̀, Ijele rally àwọn èèyàn. Wọ́n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣe fake calling láti máa try láti gbé nǹkan yẹn sí àwọn èèyàn wa lórí. Kò yé yín láti gbé irọ́ yẹn sí àwọn èèyàn wa lórí pé àwọn èèyàn wa ló ṣe nǹkan yẹn. Ijele wá plan ní call in show tí kí lórúkọ gẹ́ẹ̀ tójú ẹ̀ dàbí ojú ọ̀pọ̀lọ́ yìí. Blessed Dom wá pè wọlé. Wọ́n wá pretend bíi pé somebody else ló pè. He knows something about what happened in Owo. So now he want to start another one. He want to start another thing. Àwọn journalists wọ́n tí investigation ò tí jáde lórí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn. Ijele and the Blessed Dom already know that it was a drug problem. It was drug this and that because Showore was talking about drug in Ondo State. So this thing would have been caused by drug and all this rubbish. So these people should leave us. They have killed us enough. Igbo people have killed us enough. They should leave us alone because before our people start bouncing on them. Ijele, I know you are doing something to protect your people. But you cannot be protecting your people and be killing us. Do you understand? You cannot be protecting your people and be killing us. Take your protest. Take any protest you want to do. Take it to your region. When people went to Abuja to protest, during the NSAS, the Abujans or the Abujians, they told them to leave Abuja and go to their states to protest. All of you brought that protest to Lagos State. And we saw what you did in Lagos State. How you destabilized everything in Lagos State. How you almost kill our leader. Because you people don't have leader in your place. So you are picking on other regions' leader to be killing them one by one. You will kill our leader. You will kill one of our leader and put it on top of another leader. People will start be shouting, OBJ kill this person, Tinubu kill this person. Meanwhile, you are the one eliminating our leaders one by one because you do not have leader. If they want to do anything now in Nigeria, Hausa people, they have somebody to represent them, internationally or nationally. Yoruba people, we have the same thing. It is you people who don't have because you have destroyed yourself. And it is not our problem if you destroy yourself. Don't come and bring your problem on us. Take your rally. Take your whatever you are doing. Take it to the region. Pastor Fufeyin did anything. It is not Yoruba problem. You want to face the pastors. Go to Warri and face Pastor Fufeyin. Don't bring any protest to Lagos. Ogun will kill you, Ijele, if you bring any protest to Lagos. Ogun, it will kill you if you bring any protest to Lagos. Thunder will strike, Amadioha will strike you. Don't bring that nonsense. We know your plans. The people you kill, the people you people join hand, you and Nandi, that you join hand and kill in our state, their spirit has not rest in peace. Don't try another one in Lagos State. Don't try another one in Lagos State. Fufeyin is not a Lagosian. Fufeyin is not a Yoruba man. Go to his village. Go and scatter his church. Don't come to Lagos State and be bringing madness. We will not take it from you. It will be oju fun oju, eje fun eje. Don't bring that madness into Lagos. We are not taking it from you. You have the guts to say you are coming to do this in Lagos. You will tell them you start to brag. That bragado will kill your father. Ijele. That bragado, it will kill your father. Kill a man ṣe àwọn Igbo yìí ná. Tó ṣe máa believe pé wọ́n ní guts láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ, láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ and kò síyàn tó lè challenge wọn. What is our Lagos State problem with Fufeyin something? Why are you not going to your CAN head office? Why are you not going to your CAN office to be challenging them for the discrimination they are doing on everybody now?
Introducing Zapworks, the world's most powerful all-in-one web AR platform. Create, publish, and
to protest against them. Why are you not going there? The person involved in this case has been released, so there is no point for any protest. Do you understand? There is no reason for any protest. We will not allow you to do any bullshit to our political leaders. Brother wa MC Oluomo ke ma e ba ma pin nkan yi ko de odo MC Oluomo àti Koko Zaria àti Mr. Sego àti Kunle Poli gbogbo wọn pátápátá gbogbo àwọn alákíkanjú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti Sunday Igboho ẹ bá wa sọ fún Sunday Igboho pa àwọn Igbo ti fẹ́ balẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́. Ẹ bá wa sọ fún Sunday Igboho, brother wa ṣì ní Sunday Igboho, kí ẹ nípa òṣì tó ṣe lẹ́yìn yẹn mọ́ àti foríjì àti dáríjì àti mọ̀ pé wọ́n tàn sí ni. Ẹ bá wa sọ fún Sunday Igboho kóhun náà wá gbọ́ wípé àwọn Yíbò wọ́n ti sọ pé ìṣe do or die àfi àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ gba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́ ni o. Ẹ bá wa sọ fún Sunday Igboho, ẹ bá wa sọ fún Koko Zaria, ẹ bá wa sọ fún MC Oluomo, ẹ bá wa pé àwọn tí trust àwọn Yíbò wọ́n dìbò fún wa rí dẹ̀ sọ pé ó di tipátipá kan dìbò fún wa àmọ́ ó di tipátipá kan fi wá lọ́rùn lẹ̀ kò yé yín lè trust Yíbò fẹ́ bá Yíbò ṣe rí àwọn northerners la fẹ́ bá ṣe yẹn àwọn yẹn náà la fẹ́ bá ṣe tó bá àwọn Yíbò kan dìbò fún wa adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn but wọn Ijele ò kàn lè bú Tinubu for how many years just after this primaries tó wá rí pé Tinubu wọlé tán ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá sọ pé òun fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ fún Tinubu then ó fẹ́ wá máa fi yẹn máa gain trust lọ́wọ́ wa but plan sí ẹ̀ ní pé láti balẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́ Ijele, we have seen you before you started. Don't even try it. Don't try it. We will not accept that nonsense. You people are devilish. Can you appreciate anything tí yàn bá ṣe fún yín? So now we will be calling you out. We will be calling you out. You have fake pastors in your place. Did you not hear that pastor that said they should kill Yoruba people? You know, look, pastor wèrè yẹn. That pastor that said they should kill Yoruba people. Ẹ̀yà gbójú pastor wèrè yẹn síta. Did you not hear this pastor what he said? Why are you not calling him out? Number Ijele, did you not see this pastor that said they should be killing Yoruba people? So that Yoruba people will know how it is to go through war. Why are you not calling this idiot out? Pastor Ritabi, why are you not calling that bastard out? Why are you not calling it out? You are pretending you are against your brother, the bloodsucker Nnamdi Kanu. You are pretending you are against him, but you walk hand in hand. You only have your own different office. You understand? You have your own different office. You and Numan Zuruke, all of you have your own different office. So don't bring your rally. Whatever Fufeyin did, it is not our own tolo. Take your protest to Abuja, or you take your protest to Warri, where Fufeyin is from, or you take your protest to your village, to your region. You can go to Port Harcourt, and anybody that will come to be telling me that Lagos State is the economy hub. So you want to come and destroy the economic hub of the country? You don't have Aba as the economy hub of Southeast. You don't have Port Harcourt as the economy hub of the South. You don't have Kano as the economy hub of the North. Why don't you go there? Why Lagos? Why Lagos? Why do you people want to destroy Lagos? The buses that you and your people burnt in Lagos State, we have not bought it back. Our leaders have not been able to get them back till now. We don't need another destruction. Leave us alone. Leave our leaders alone. In the 60s, you have killed the leaders of Yoruba and the leaders of Hausa people. Now, other leaders are coming up. You want to come and be killing them again? For what now? Leave us alone now. This your pastor Ritabi has said that we are not the same. We accept that we are not the same. And because we are not the same, then take your rally. Take your